You're probably already familiar with the Wyandotte, one of America's first true homestead chickens, and one of the most breathtaking breeds ever created. But do you know how it got its name? The Wyandot was named in honor of the Wyandot people, a Native American nation known for resilience, strong community, and deep connection to the land. Early poultry breeders chose the name as a tribute because the bird represented strength, beauty, and purpose, just like the people whose name it carries. Wyandottes are friendly, dependable layers of about 200 brown eggs a year, and their striking lace feathers make them a show stopping addition to any backyard flock. From silver laced to golden and blue, every variety has that signature sparkling pattern that looks painted by hand. A heritage favorite and a living piece of American history. If you love learning about heritage breeds, like, comment, share, and subscribe to help push this video out and educate more people about the beautiful Wyandotte breed.